This is how to build a THOCKY keyboard. If you want that THOCKY keyboard sound, here's the secret. Unscrew and open up your keyboard, and put painter's tape on the back of your PCB, which will give it that nice THOCKY sound. Put your keyboard back together, and now we're going to loop the stabs. To avoid any rattle, I used the Holy Mod and loop both the housing and the wire. Next, put in your switches. I went with Acco's Radiant Red switches, and make sure they're looped so it sounds nice. And finish the keyboard by putting on the keycaps. I also kept it Acco with their carbon keycaps. And here is how the keyboard looks. The keyboard looks really nice, but how does it sound? Does it have that THOCKY keyboard sound? Let me know down in the comments.